Americans have been sucked into the belief that they can solve all their problems by taking a simple pill. The truth of the matter is that many of these pills simply mask the symptoms, fail to address the underlying cause, and as a result the disease is able to progress, as well as many of these drugs cause serious side effects. If you really look at the conditions that most Americans are faced with, they're related to diet, lifestyle, and psychological factors. Those are things that conventional medicine has very little answers for, while naturopathic medicine provides great answers. One of the big conditions that is affecting millions of Americans is diabetes. When people are diagnosed with diabetes, most often they are prescribed a pill. The pill will keep the blood sugar levels down for a while, but eventually the pill stops working, so the doctor has to prescribe either more pills or higher doses of the pill. And when that happens, serious side effects occur, and studies have shown that when people go that route, there is a shorter lifespan. They will actually die sooner than people who had uncontrolled diabetes. Now, we don't want people to be uncontrolled with their diabetes. We want them to be under the care of a naturopathic physician or medical doctor who will address the underlying cause. For most Americans, that means changing the way that they eat, changing their lifestyle, and utilizing natural products to help regulate their blood sugar levels.
So what is the best natural approach?
It would be nice if everybody was the same. One treatment would work just as well from one patient to the next. But the reality is that we all have biochemical individuality, we all have different personalities, and we all respond differently to medications as well as supplements. So an individualized approach is absolutely necessary for good medicine. One of the things that's very important in naturopathic medicine is education, and many times it's just telling the patient what they already know. It's impossible for people to be healthy if they are following an unhealthy lifestyle. If they're smoking cigarettes, if they're drinking too much alcohol, if they're not exercising, if they're not getting enough sleep, if they're engaged in harmful health habits, they're going to be unhealthy. So naturopathic medicine will approach that patient first by helping them realize that they need to make some changes. Now, changes sometimes are very difficult for people, but when they understand the importance of making those changes, they're moved to make them. Naturopathic physicians are trained in helping people make change, and that's really one of the key aspects of why our medicine works so well, is because we help people make those changes that they need to make in order to be healthy. Our natural state is health. We just have to eliminate those factors that impede or impair our ability to heal. I think there are three key supplements that should be part of a foundational approach to good health. One is a high-potency multiple vitamin and mineral formula. Vitamins and minerals, they work in our body as components of enzymes. Each enzyme in our body, and these are compounds that either break down other molecules or build other molecules. So enzymes make us alive, and each enzyme has two arms. One arm holds a vitamin, the other arm holds a mineral. So we have to make sure our body has a constant supply of these essential nutrients, vitamins and minerals. So a good high-potency multiple vitamin and mineral formula is a good nutritional insurance program. Next, we have to take advantage of plant-based antioxidants. There are so many beneficial effects by increasing our intake of plant foods, and we can also achieve similar benefits by taking concentrated forms of plant foods like green algae products, spirulina, chlorella, wheatgrass juice, barley grass juice, as well as flavonoid-rich extracts like grapeseed and pine bark. The last supplement that I think everybody should be taking is a high-concentrated pharmaceutical-grade fish oil. These omega-3 fatty acids that are in fish oils are very important to the health of our cells. High levels of these omega-3 fatty acids in the diet or through supplementation is associated with nearly a 50% reduced risk of having a heart attack or a stroke. These omega-3 fatty acids exert significant anti-inflammatory effects, and they also are very important for the functioning of our brain. Of all the nutritional products, a good high-quality pharmaceutical-grade fish oil is probably the most important.